Hello everyone! The long-awaited Autumn Washu Fest is back, and we can't wait to see you there. The event will take place on October 26th, Saturday, and 27th, Sunday, at the Nakameguro GT Tower Plaza in Tokyo. It's conveniently located right next to Nakameguro Station, so be sure to stop by. This year's theme is Discover the Perfect Sake for Long Autumn Nights and the New Year. You can enjoy over 250 varieties of delicious sake from 43 breweries across Japan, including seasonal flavors, chilled sake, warm sake, sparkling sake, and premium sake. At the venue, you'll be able to purchase food and sake on the spot, and if you find a sake you love, you can even have it delivered directly to your home, perfect for souvenirs. Additionally, you can enjoy live performances of traditional Japanese instruments on stage. Spend a relaxing autumn day with beautiful music and a taste of Japanese culture. Visit our official website for tickets and more information. We look forward to welcoming you. Let's enjoy delicious sake and a wonderful time together.